I want to thank Cabinets.com for providing all the cabinets for the seejanedrill kitchen remodel. So you finally have selected the cabinets that really work for you and the space that they're going in. And you've ordered the cabinets. And now it's just a waiting game. You just have to wait for the cabinets to arrive so you can install them, right? And so you get to kick back and take it easy. Well, you couldn't be further from the truth. You know, there are some things that you need to do before your cabinets arrive that are going to make the installation go really smooth. And I'm going to tell you what those things are coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and I'm really glad that you could join us because today we're doing cabinet install and what you need to do before those cabinets arrive and when they arrive and what you need to do before you install the cabinets. Now, to get started, what I will tell you is this. Before your cabinets arrive, there's two things you need to do, and it's going to make the installation process go really smoothly. Number one, you want to locate the studs in the walls in the kitchen, again, before the cabinets arrive. Anything that you can do to bring you closer to completion, do it while you have the waiting time. So locate the studs in the wall. It's going to make things go a lot quicker for you. Number two, and this is very, very important. A lot of people don't think to do this. Use the plan. These plans tell you exactly where cabinets are to be placed. And what I do, and what I have always done, is I mark on the walls in the kitchen exactly where cabinets need to be placed. And it makes it go a lot smoother. You know, once you start unboxing your kitchen cabinets, you'll want to get right to it, and you'll be able to know exactly where things are to be placed. Now, once your kitchen cabinets arrive, you want to make certain that all items are accounted for. Now, it's not just the kitchen cabinets. It's easy to get excited about the big things, but you know it's the small things too that are going to be coming with your kitchen cabinet package. You have to check and make certain that you have your filler strips, your toe kits. Make certain you've got skids if you've ordered them. And the way you do it is you use the kitchen design layout to keep track of all the boxes that have arrived. Now, this is a wall cabinet, and wall cabinets are always installed before base cabinets. And there's something that you have to do before you actually hang the cabinets on the wall. And what it is let me open this up. You have to remove the cabinet doors and the cabinet shelves. And the reason for that is cabinets are deceivingly heavy. And so if you can lighten the load up before you actually place it on the wall, you'll be very thankful that you've done that. Now comes time to remove the door. We're looking at 3 different screws, and all 3 screws are adjusting screws. This screw here, it will adjust the door side to side. This screw here will pull the door in and out. Let me show you. It's very slight. Now this screw here, this will adjust the door up and down, but it also will help us remove the door. We're going to take this screw out at the bottom, and we're also going to remove this screw here at the top. So we have one removed. Now you want to go from bottom to top because you don't want to put unnecessary pressure on the bottom hinge. Make certain that you leave the protective coating on the door and label it, all right? So that's a wall cabinet that's 15 by 30. Also mark the cabinet. This is going to be quick identification for you. You're going to be glad that you've done this. Now these are the screws that attach the door to the cabinet. And I'm going to take these to the bottom of our cabinet. I'm not going to press too hard because I don't want to damage the bottom of the cabinet with those screws, but I do want to keep up with the screws and know where they are. Next, we're going to remove the shelves, and we're going to label these as well because we're going to want to know what shelves go with which cabinet. Now that we have our shelves marked, now it's time to remove the shelves. And we do that by way of this clip here. I've got this clip depressed. What you have to do is you just have to slide it to the side like that, past the shelves, eh? Now I only had to do that to the front 2 clips. Just lift it up, pull it out. To recap, locate and mark stud locations and mark cabinet locations. Now when your cabinets arrive, check to make certain that everything, including the smaller items, have been shipped along with the cabinets. And before installing your cabinets, remove all doors, remove the shelves, and then mark them accordingly. So that's it, our door's off and our shelves are removed. Now all we have to do is install the cabinet. Now before I go, I want to tell you this. You know, cabinets.com, they provided all the cabinets for the seejanedrill kitchen remodel. And I just want to say thank you. I'll place a link in the description below this video so you can check them out for yourselves. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.